Real quick, guys, before we get this video started, I do want to let you guys know that we are doing a $10 raffle at Supreme Barber Supply, our Instagram. So if you guys want to win a pair of Cordless Seniors or a Gold FX Clippers from Stay Gold Sophie, then go check out our Instagram. And for further information, this is a great chance for you, for those of you who are struggling financially and can't afford clippers. This is a great chance for you guys, student barbers or anything like that, to get a good set of clippers at a for only $10. So good luck to all of you guys, and unlimited entries. Let's go. Let's do it. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Caesar, and today you guys are in for a treat. We're about to show you guys the similarities, the differences, and pretty much the question is it the same clipper? It looks the same. Does it come with the same stuff? What's the difference? Is it limited edition or not? What's the whole fuzz about this clipper, this Cordless Senior coming back? So stick around to this video, guys, and what we're about to do is this unboxing and pretty much go over all the specs and stuff. So before we get this video started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this so far. Are you guys excited for this clipper to be back? Let me know what you guys think. I'm super excited. This is super cool. But let me know what you guys think so far. If you're new, make sure to subscribe before you get this video started. You might just get stuck into the video and forget to subscribe. But let's get this video started, guys, and let's do this unboxing. Let's see what's up with this. Let's see what the fuzz is about. Let's do it. All right, guys. So let's get this unboxing going and let's see what the fuss is about. So straight off the back, as you guys can see, it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty welcoming. Very welcoming. Hey, did you know? Well, yes, sir. That's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome of them to be involved in the community. All right, so let's see this bad boy. As you guys can see, it's pretty sealed pretty well. And the presentation is pretty cool. Let's see what this compartment has in here. Okay, so clipper over comb. Instruction manual, pretty much pretty much just the technical support and questions and all that. The manual, how to use your clipper, how to oil, how to properly take care of it, and on all that good stuff. All clippers pretty much come with this, just in case you have questions or anything like that. Pretty much all clippers also come with clipper oil, and which is pretty cool. What this one comes with is the 3 cutting guides, premium guards, guys. Premium guards are a lot better. They last a lot longer than your original factory guards, and that's cool because it comes with the 3 crucial fading guides. So that's pretty awesome. That's one cool thing that they did pretty awesome in this one. So let's take out the clipper. As you guys can see, I already beat up the little thing. So let's take that out. And what are you guys, let me know what you guys think, first impressions of the clipper. I think it looks pretty sexy. It's pretty dope. It has a blacked out lid, which is really nice. I am a fan of the old blue one though, but this one's not bad at all. First thing, it does have a tan lever, which I noticed is pretty much the only difference I see so far. It has a fade blade on it as well. And if you guys don't know what a fade blade is, it's literally the back blade is flat. It stays flush against the scalp, which gets into tighter fades. The only difference is the taper or a fade blade. The tapered one is more curved. This one's more for tighter fades. The other one's more for flicking. And as you guys can see, the teeth are all pretty much straight up, unlike the Magic Clip, which is a staggered teeth. So there's a huge preference thing. It's all pretty much on what you're used to, guys. So that is pretty much everything on this clipper. As you guys can see, so far nothing crazy. And underneath it, obviously it has its charging cable, which is pretty much the same as any other cordless pretty much cable, I assume. Like the Magic Clip one will fit in it, and so will the Senior and vice versa. Okay, guys, so let's bring out the OG, the first generation clipper, the first one to come out, and let's pretty much compare the similarities and see what's different and see what's the same. So this is the OG Senior right here, the first one that came out pretty much a year and a half ago, and as you guys can see, it's been through a little beating. This is one of my like workhorses right here, to be honest, and one of my favorite clippers alongside the Magics. As you guys can see, it does have a different blade. This is a blacked out blade, and it has pretty much a blacked out magic clip blade. As you guys can see the difference, it's a staggered teeth. So big teeth, small teeth, big teeth, small teeth, big teeth, and it's kind of dirty. So I apologize about that as well. And let's see, look at the differences real quick. What do you guys see so far? I think well, first off, this OG one does come with this blade, stock factory, and it's literally the same blade, which is a fade blade. The other differences I see is pretty much the lid. This is the OG blue lid, and this is the new one that it's coming out with. This is a limited edition clipper right here, guys. This is not. It looks like this one is here to stay. It doesn't say limited edition on the box or anything like that. So if you were to have this is, I guess, a little piece of history right here, because they're not making these anymore at all. They stopped making these bad boys about I'd say like around 5 months ago.
Maybe like a year ago.
Maybe like a year ago. They're just so hard to come by now that the price point in these was about $150 when they first dropped. You could find these around $150 as well, but the value, since they are limited edition and they stopped making these, they're about $200 now. That's the average. Search it up if you don't believe me. But these right here, these bad boys range anywhere from $150 to $180. It all depends on your area, guys. In our area, it's like roughly around $160, $170. So aside from the lever color and the lid color, they looked exactly the same. And obviously I told you guys, this is the blade right here that comes with both stock. This is just an aftermarket. But yeah, it literally looks the same. There's nothing really different about it other than the lid, the color of the switch, and the lever. But let's do a quick sound check and see if there's a huge difference in that as well, or they kept it the same. They sound about the same to me. The power wise, feels about the same as well. Really sturdy, really powerful, and they feel great. They sound great to me. They feel like they're gonna take bulk down like nothing. They're not gonna struggle. You don't feel like they're dying or anything like that. Mine is fully charged. Maybe that's why it sounds a little bit stronger to me. Like it's ready to fuck shit up. But the weight is pretty much the same, guys. It's a 13-ounce clipper with the metal body. Everything's about the same. So if you guys were wondering if there was a huge difference, there honestly isn't. I feel like they came back with it because there was a huge demand for it, and because everything's the same. It's just that you won't be getting the blue lid anymore. You'll get the cool black one now. So let me show you guys pretty much the other one, because these are the first gen Cordless Senior. This is the latest and pretty much the latest cool one that just came out. And obviously you got this bad boy right here, which is the Walk 1919. It's a pretty dope clipper. A lot of great feedback from honestly these two, but I'm sure this one will be just fine because it's literally the same thing. Now this one, they did switch it up a little bit. This one does have the taper blade on it, and this is what I meant by the blade difference. This is a taper blade, which is a lot more curved, and this is a fade blade. Honestly, the difference is this one's going to make you flick a lot. This one's a lot more tighter against the scalp, fading like this. This one's more like that. And honestly, it's all in the preference. Whatever you learn with, whatever feels comfortable with you, that's what you're going to be used to. So differences between these, obviously, this one's an all metal housing. special edition, obviously from 1919. If you guys did not know, that's when pretty much Wall had pretty much started off in 1919. So they wanted to celebrate in their 100th year and launch this pretty dope clipper out. So if you look at this clipper, it looks like pretty much the old school clippers, just a little bit slimmer. And the differences between this senior and the other seniors are pretty much self-explanatory. You see this? It has a different toggle switch right here, which this one just has a little plastic one. It has a different lever. This one looks a little bit more fancier. I'm not a huge fan of the little ball right here, but that's because I'm so used to just going like this, and this is just a little weird. So I'm a huge fan of this blade. I'm not really much of a fan of a taper blade, and that's all. And that, like I said, that's all opinion because this is what I'm used to. A lot of people love these, and like I said, it's all preference. So I just wanted to throw this one in there as well, guys. This one's a limited edition clipper as well. Wall already stopped making this one, so if you guys need to cop one, I'd cop one pretty soon before the prices go up and before it becomes like this one where it's honestly extinct and super expensive now. So same thing's gonna happen to this one, but you guys are lucky that Wall released this one. It's pretty much the same thing. It's like Wall said, hey, let's give a chance to those who didn't get to cop the Cordless Senior. Let's give them a chance to pretty much cop it now. So pretty much to recap this video, guys, the prices, the price points, pretty much the same. It's pretty much when this one launched, the first one was around 150. This one's around average around 160. It all depends on where area you're in. They both weigh the same. The power feels the same. The specs are the same. 70-minute runtime, lithium-ion battery, rotary motor. Both come with the same blade. The only differences, from what I've seen, it's just the color and limited edition, non-limited edition. So you be the judge and see if they're the same or not. It's kind of clear that it is. Let me know what you guys think. It's pretty much the same clipper. Wall decided to bring it back, which is pretty cool because a lot of people didn't get a chance to get this fabulous clipper, which it's an awesome clipper, guys. So if you guys have the chance, there's your chance. So recapping, in my opinion, it's the same thing, just different colorway. And this is what's pretty cool, which they should have done a long time ago, which more companies should do, is include the premium walls, because $150-ish to $180 price range is a lot of money and it's not really budget friendly. So to include the guards would be such a huge help. So I had the pleasure of doing this video, guys. I hope Wall gets to see this. If you guys see this, let me get a factory tour, man. I want to go see how everything's done, and it would be an honor. But that wraps up this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found this pretty useful. And if you did not know, now you know. Let me know what you guys learned in the comment section. And if you guys have any questions for me, let me know as well in the comment section. But don't forget to like this video, guys. Drop a comment, say what's up. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss more content. We're about to drop more videos, more informative videos like this. So I'll see you guys next time, and peace out.